Cement pipe molds, critical for infrastructure, face intense market competition and urgent demand for smart manufacturing. ROKAE provides 3NB-20 series large payload industrial robots for mold polishing, coating, and finishing. Equipped with floating grinding heads and a 7th-axis rail, these robots ensure consistent force application, cover 3 to 5 meter spans without human intervention, and remove 90% of residual concrete. After polishing, the robot sprays a uniform water-based adhesive layer on the mold, controls spray angle and uniformity, then applies concrete and finishes the surface to ensure flatness, uniform thickness, and strong adhesion. The NB-20 robots, suitable for various high payload, long-reach tasks, replace 3 operators each, significantly boosting efficiency and supporting the transition to intelligent manufacturing.